So our St. Augustine Beach Pier is getting ready to get repaired. For 2 years, I used to be able to go out there and fish at St. Augustine Pier and have a good time. At the very end, that thing was damaged from last year's hurricane. And nobody could go out there and go fishing at the very end like I used to for 2.5 years. But now they got the whole pier at the very beginning closed. All around it, that's all the damage from the hurricane that it destroyed. Sucks. But once it's fixed, it's going to be good to go fishing now and again. Be good to fix though. To Pier. Crazy to be seen closed down like this. But it'll be cool though. I gotta see if there's any bacteria in the water though, guys. Because all I've been hearing about that shit on Facebook. Look how clear the water is. Whoa. That's clear. There's hardly any water out there. I used to put my boat out there with the boys at nighttime and go fishing and take our boats out there at nighttime. And we used to go all the way out there and put our bait in the water like right here. It was crazy. It was cool. But hopefully when it's fixed, we can do that again. Keith, Adam, Mark, Harvey, Trent, Payne, Daniel, Dan, let's do it again. I miss these days. We used to have fun. Here's all the boats coming in to fix our pier too. They're gonna be all out here.